Guys, I'm going to Amsterdam and I'm going to show you all about Amsterdam. Big giant.
I have two flights who have a different departure time, which is the flight to Lyon.
Okay. Oh yeah. Wow, what a pose. All right, go to your red carpet then. You gotta go inside. Oh yeah. Can you lift it up? Okay, go on. Go on. Push it.
This is what our hotel looks like. Let me show you around.
Okay, so where is this?
This is the bathroom.
This is the bathroom.
Yeah, look at this bath.
Oh, should look at the back. Okay.
This thing so you can't see anybody.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the bedroom. And there's actually three beds.
So you get to pick which bed you want to sleep in,
And I want to
isn't
sleep.
it?
And I want to sleep in this.
And then there's a table.
Yeah,
If you want to do some writing.
Yeah.
Let's see outside.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Ooh, that's the thing we got on.
Yeah, we are at the front.
Yeah.
We are right near the airport.
Let me show you our garbage can.
Is that the garbage can?
Yeah, right
Oh
there.
yeah, that's a big one.
Yeah, look
That's a
at
really
this
big one. So this is a
working
table.
table. This is like a working table. And this is my bed where my towel is. And this is my phone I can call people on.
You need to call people.
Yeah, we
Okay.
doing. We need
It's
to.
a
We
big
can
room,
call
isn't
my.
it?
Yeah.
Massive.
Yeah.
Wow, guys. Wow. So this is the bathroom. Let me get a key. In here. There we go. Wow, this is beautiful. So this is the bathroom. Back there. Open the door, open the door. So guys, this is the room. They've got a drink for me. This is the bedroom. Got the TV. And you got, what is this? Okay, you got the fridge. Nice and cold. Got the safe. How do I open this? Oh. Ah, okay. Side view. Got the cups, got the tea, kettle, whatever. Ice bucket. Yeah, this is the room, guys. That's the corridor. So this is outside, very close to the airport. It's about 10 minutes drive. There's a free shuttle if you want to take that. And this time around, I'm on the 5th floor, which gives me a very great view. Yeah, and the KLM kind of head office is right opposite. Yeah, and this is pretty much the size of the room. Yeah.
Guys, guess what I just see? Show you.
Sliding door. So you can close it all the way to the top.
I can't do it. All the way
Let's
to
push
the
it
top.
back. Let's push it back. Let's push it back that way. Wow. You can slide it that way.
Yeah.
That's good. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, I'm in Amsterdam. Yeah, my third time in Amsterdam, and ignore that big spot, it's really annoying me. But anywho, my third time in Amsterdam, and I've always stayed in this particular hotel. Okay, I've stayed here because of the facilities and the amazing breakfast and the swimming pool and the spa and everything else that comes with it. But this time around, I had a few issues checking in. As you can see, you're gonna watch the video and you're gonna see me showing you around one of the rooms. I asked for a superior double bed, I think it was, and they gave me a twin bed that they tried to put together. It wasn't even smooth, and I was having really bad way of sleeping. Like, it just wasn't working for me. And I already have backache anyway. The past few weeks I've been suffering from a backache. So that was just something that I wouldn't tolerate for the rest of my trip, to be honest. So I had to go down for them to kind of change the room for me. And I'm sorry, this time around the customer service is just really bad. The customer service is really bad because the last two times I came, to be fair, I had some really, really nice staff that, was really, really awesome. Even gave me free, vouchers for breakfast and stuff like that because, it was just really good how they accommodated me and stuff. But this time around, there is a free shuttle. There is a free shuttle, just to mention that. And usually I know they're supposed to help you with your luggage. I had 2 or 3 luggages, and the guy was just sitting there staring at me while I was struggling to put the luggages on the rack. And I was a bit kind of confused because the last time I had help, that's what I've seen them do. That's what their job is. They're not just supposed to drive and just sit there and look at you while you struggle. And then when I came to check in, it was okay. Customer service was just a bit kind of dull, not very cheerful, not very, I don't know. And then when I went to kind of just tell them about the room, explain that this wasn't what I asked for, and I would have, kept it, but it's just because of my back, I had to, I needed to change it. And the girl that I spoke to on the phone before I went downstairs was just, that's all we've got. You just have to put up with it. And I was like, yo, hold on a minute. That's not the way to start this conversation. No. You just press the button, in me. So I told her, obviously, I've got a backache. There's no way I'm gonna sleep on this bed for the rest of the trip. And the fact that I booked this 2 months or more in advance, you can't sit and tell me that this is all you have left to give me, because that was her reply. This was what they had left to give me. Meanwhile, when I pursued this later on, found out they did have a king-size bed that they could have given me, so customer service, no. No, and I had to deal with 2 people when I came to check in, and both of them was just lacking in, you know, customer relations and stuff. Like it wasn't a good start. But yeah, so I've changed my room. It's dark outside. Where I am now, before where I mean you're gonna watch the video, where I was before was kind of facing the KLM head office, and the other side, you know, kind of looking over the airport. The airport's about 10 minutes drive away. But the room that I'm currently in is kind of the view that I had last time, facing the restaurant view, and also kind of the side back of the hotel, if that makes sense. But it's absolutely, I mean, obviously there's a reason why I keep coming to the same hotel. I had offers for other hotels, but, you know, I am gravitated towards this hotel. So it's just customer relations has to be a bit more, you know, they have to match the kind of hotel that they offer. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys in the morning. This room is more or less the same size. It's just the bed is different. It's one whole bed. So at least, because the other one had like a gap in between, there was no way. No, that's going to cause me even more stress. There was a gap, literally a gap in between. I did try to, it's not like I'm being obnoxious or anything. I did try to push the bed together, trying to see if I can kind of remake the bed and all that, but it just wasn't going to work for me. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys the view tomorrow. I have a few things to do tomorrow, a few trips for you guys. So I'm going to take you to breakfast and then take you on some of the trips that I have planned. And then just sort of show you around the place. So far, I've got some ice. I'm going to have a cool drink and then just chill. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please do ask me. Don't be shy. And yeah, I'm going to show you around Amsterdam. All right, take care.